As a Shopify store owner, one of your least favorite things must be cart abandoners. Thanks to Popupsmart's Shopify-based triggers, you can create an email automation that will recover cart abandoners. Thanks to this feature, you will engage with your visitors and encourage them to complete their purchase. Now, let's see how it's done. If you don't have a Popupsmart account, you can just create one for free. And of course, you need a Shopify store and you need to verify your website on your Popupsmart account, which is pretty easy. And then on the left-hand panel, you will see email automations. We'll continue with checkout abandonment. Let's name our automation. Then choose your domain and continue. Okay, first we have the trigger page. We have already chosen checkout abandonment as our trigger. So let's click next to delay. This is the wait time before sending the email. So when do you want to send your email? Like you can choose I want to send my cart abandonment email when someone leaves their cart and I want to wait 45 minutes before I send the email. Or you can just go for 10 minutes, 30 minutes. It's up to you. And then continue with next to mail. Okay, we have the subject line. This is what your customers are going to see in their inbox. So you can go creative with that. And you can use some emojis maybe. Then we have the sender's name. You can enter your name or your Shopify store's name. We have the reply to email. This is where you will receive all the replies from your email. So it could be yours or your customer support agents if you have one. Let's continue with next to edit before we send the test email. Okay, this is a ready to use email template. You can click change email template and see other ready-to-use email template examples. And once you're happy with the template, just click on general style to choose a font for your email. And then you can arrange the email background color and body background color as well. We have the header. This is it could be your logo, maybe your store's name. You can just arrange its size. And similarly, you can arrange the image as well. We have the header and we have the text here. You can just add a coupon code, maybe as you can see here, to encourage the customers to complete their purchase with a discount. Or you can just click hide if you don't want to show any coupon codes. And then we have some social share buttons. You can add any social platform that you want. You can change their colors as well. Here you can see them. And then we have the footer for privacy policy and unsubscribe link. And if you want, you can just display your collections with product cards. Okay, this is the customization part. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can go back to general and then send email to yourself or to any other email. Once you're happy with everything, just save it and turn on the status. Okay, your cart abandonment email automation is now activated. So when a customer leaves their cart without completing their purchase, they will receive an email from you. And we have set the delay as 45 minutes. So we'll wait 45 minutes before we send this email. Maybe in the meantime, they will change their mind. So go ahead, try this simple automation to recover cart abandoners. Let us know what you think. And if you have further questions, feel free to contact us.